Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from SAMSUNG Galaxy S24 Ultra. So first open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again this free credits banner, you have to restart the application. Click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something regularly. Just select your photo and click on the import. Now you can add a shape your document or the picture. If you already click on the arrow icon, then you can choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible, but not in my case. After that, just click on the accept icon, choose again from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.